Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and today we'll take a deeper dive and look at the invoices and payment settings in CoachVantage. The invoices and payment settings allows you to set up your billing currency, configure invoice reminder notifications, and customize the note to recipients message on all of your invoices. To access your invoice and payment settings from your CoachVantage dashboard, simply click your name at the top right-hand corner of your screen and then select My Settings. In My Settings, click the tab Invoice and Payment here. The first step is to set your default currency. In CoachVantage, the default currency is set to USD. However, if you would like to change this default currency, simply click the drop-down menu and select your currency. The selected currency will be displayed on your invoices, on your event booking pages, and your coaching program sign-up pages if you charge for events or your coaching programs. The next section is invoice reminders. In CoachVantage, you have the option of sending automated notifications to your clients of when their invoices are due, as well as reminders for past invoices due. Select the Send Reminders button if you wish to have invoice reminders sent to your clients. You can customize how often the reminders are sent by clicking these boxes here. Remember to press Save when finished. Here is an example of an email that a client would receive when an invoice has been sent. A reminder email regarding an invoice would look very similar. Lastly on this page, we have the Note to Recipient section. This is where you can customize the note that is displayed at the footer of every invoice. The Note to Recipient is published on your invoices and visible to your clients. This will save you time by not having to type in the Note to Recipient every time you create an invoice. You will still be able to edit the note in an individual invoice if desired. Some examples of what a coach might put in the Note to Recipient section include contact information, so a client can reach out to you if they have questions, your company registration number or tax ID if required for tax purposes, instructions to make bank transfers, etc. And it's that easy. Thank you so much for watching this video on invoice and payment settings in CoachVantage. Have a wonderful week and happy coaching!